Today, the Supreme Court takes on tariffs as it hears opening arguments of the legality of President Donald Trump's global tariffs program. ABC's Nicole D'Antonio explains.
The Supreme Court today hears arguments over the legality of President Trump's global tariffs. At issue, whether an emergency law dating back to the 1970s allows the president to impose certain tariffs without congressional approval. The Trump administration in April declared an emergency over trade deficits and used that declaration to justify tariffs.
The core of their argument is that the imbalance in trade between the United States and other countries has created a national emergency for the economy and for national security, and that these tariffs are a needed response to that emergency and therefore authorized implicitly by Congress in this 1970s law.
But a group of business owners in blue states sued, claiming Trump invented that emergency. Rick Wildenberg, the lead plaintiff, says businesses are getting hit hard. He runs a toy company.
In 2024, I believe that we calculated that we paid $2.3 million in tariffs. We calculated that based on our 2025 budget, the closest we could come to an apples comparison, it would have been $100 million.
The stakes are high. If the court rejects the tariffs, the U.S. government could owe tens of billions of dollars in refunds to businesses. And President Trump would lose a key bargaining chip in negotiations with other countries. Trump calling this case, quote, life or death for our country.
He's been able to sign peace deals all over the world and end global conflicts and literally save lives. He's been able to bring in trillions of dollars of investments into our country.
President Trump has said these tariffs in the long term will boost manufacturing in the U.S. After oral arguments today, the justices are expected to rule by next summer. Nicole D'Antonio, ABC News, Washington.